Okay, that's good. Clip wrap. This is sort of a unique situation. A couple of people have been working on it, including the owner, and it had a taking on water issue. And I don't think I've ever seen anyone put one of these on backwards. I didn't even know you could put one on backwards, but it was, and we showed the customer before he left that it was actually on backwards, and it was having problems shifting. So they disconnected the shift assist module right there, so it wouldn't activate that right there. So go ahead and activate it. So it kills the part of the engine. It was disconnected because they didn't like it killing the engine, but that's got to be connected to make it shift correctly. So go ahead and put it forward. In neutral. In reverse. And forward. Okay, hold on. Prop stop, go ahead. Neutral. All right, reverse. So now it shows that the ESA switch is working the way it's supposed to, where it kills the motor. We'll start her up one more time. All right, we should be done.